Good morning. I hope you are well. Start with the basic panel to tweak exposure, contrast, and white balance. These adjustments lay the foundation for your image, ensuring it looks balanced and vibrant. It's like setting the stage for a masterpiece. The tone curve is your tool for precision. Adjust brightness and contrast in specific areas, giving your photo depth and dimension. It's the difference between a flat image and one that truly stands out. Dive into the HSL color panel to fine-tune hues, saturation, and luminance. This is where you can make colors pop or create a mood, turning your photo into a vibrant or subtle masterpiece. Sharpen your images and reduce noise with the detail panel. Perfect for high ISO or low light shots, it ensures your photos are crisp and clear, capturing every detail with precision. Use local adjustment tools like the graduated filter and adjustment brush for selective edits. Target specific areas of your image, enhancing details or adding creative effects where needed. Presets and profiles are your time-saving allies. Apply styles or color grading with a single click, streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistency across your photo collection. In conclusion, Lightroom CC equips photographers with an impressive suite of tools that enhance and edit photos effectively. Whether adjusting exposure or mastering color grading, these features enable photographers to bring their creative visions to life with ease.